Hello everyone. In our last video, we introduced this powerful YouTube content generator app, and post that we have been working on a few updates as discussed in the last video. So we have now added two major enhancements to this app, which are translation and direct downloads. Moreover, users can now download just the video transcript separately, making the content extraction even more flexible. If you haven't already watched our previous video, you can find the link to it in the description box below and on the screen right now. So let's dive right in and see what's new. So just like the last time, to really see how well the app works, I'll try it with two different videos, one short and one long. So the shorter video is 34 minutes long and the longer video would be 1 hour long. So first I'll use a shorter video to see how quickly the app extracts insights and generates content. This will give us a sense of how fast and efficient the app is on shorter videos, which are approximately 20 to 30 minutes long. So let's start. I'll first run the code to launch the app. Okay. So here is the app and this is the first tab. This first tab lets you download the full transcript of the video, whether it's auto-generated or manually added. This is perfect if you want to quickly scan the content, repurpose it or use it for reference. So let's see how we can generate the content now, or basically in this case, get the transcript of the video first. The first step would be to copy the YouTube video link from your browser's address bar. So I'll just go to the address bar and I'll copy the link of this video, the shorter video, and I'm gonna add it here. Then it would give you the list of languages it can be translated into. Okay, so we have French, Georgian, German. Let's go with German and click on get transcript. Now the transcript for this video has been fetched, so you can see, and now there is this option to download the content as well. So I just click the download button and now I'll show you the transcript. It has been downloaded as a text file. Okay, so you see how easy it is to get the transcript of the video. This is a new feature that we have introduced to the app. Initially we started with the summary and highlights as the first tab, but now the first tab is to get the transcript as it is in any of the required languages. So let's move on to the next tab, which is summary and highlights. This gives you everything you need to understand the video at a glance. So here you will find key topics, which are the main themes covered in the video, the highlights, which are the most important moments, so you can skip the fluff, and then the summary. Okay, we are also just showing the transcript type here as well, just so that it would be easier for you to know the relevance of the content that has been used to generate the topics and the highlights and the summary. Okay, so in YouTube there are two kinds of transcripts that are available. One is manually created, which is uploaded by the YouTube video creator itself, and the other one is the automatically generated one created using AI. So here also I'm gonna add the link of the YouTube video. I'm gonna select any other language just for the purpose of showcasing. Okay, let's go with Arabic now. I click on generate. You see the time which is elapsing here, you can see it here. It approximately took 10 seconds. The transcript type is generated automatically. It means that no manually created transcript was uploaded with the video, and it is generated using AI. So the topics, the highlights and the summary that are coming out of the app are based on the automatically generated transcript. Now again, we provide a download for this as well. You click on downloads, and then here you have the generated summary in a text file. You see, within 10 seconds, a 30-minute long video can be summarized and the key highlights and the topics can also be identified from here. Now let's move on to the next tab, which is the blog generator one. So here we are just going to generate an entire article or a blog from a YouTube video. So the drill remains the same. We add the YouTube video link here, and then we are presented with the available languages to which it can be translated. And now let's just select one of the languages. We'll go with Gujarati in this case, and then we click on generate blog. Now in the background, the process has now started to generate the blog, and we'll see it in a minute appearing in this section here as a full-blown article. As you can see here, it took less than a minute for sure to generate this article that came out of the YouTube video, and it's also downloadable. So if you click on this download content button, you'll see we have the generated blog as well in here. Now the length of the blog and the content of the blog depends on the insights that have been received from the YouTube video. If there isn't much being discussed in the video, then it would be reflected in the blog itself. But then again, there is no limit to customization and creativity in here. And the kind of customizations to add a word limit to the generated blogs can also be implemented, which we may do later on. So far we have seen that we can get the transcript of the video as it is. We can get the generated highlights and summaries and also the blog. Now let's move on to the next tab, which is social media post generator. So if you need quick and catchy posts for your social media, then this tab converts the video content into ready to share social media posts, whether it's for Twitter, LinkedIn, Facebook, or Instagram. From short impactful tweets to engaging captions, it helps you to share insights effortlessly. And now we'll just paste the YouTube video link. We'll select any other language. Let's just go with English. We'll select Twitter, and then we'll generate post. Now we see the time being elapsed here. Again, within 10 seconds, we've got 5 posts out of this particular video, which was 30 minutes long. See, post 1, post 2, 4, and 5. And you can download this as well. Let's just see it here, the generated posts. And here we have it. You see, within 10 seconds, we can generate a number of posts which are ready to share on your social media platforms. Now, let's look at the last tab, which is a question and answer generator. So this tab is a game changer for learners and educators. It automatically generates questions and answers from the video content, making it perfect for students who want to test their understanding, teachers looking to create quizzes, and anyone who wants to engage with content in a deeper way. Okay, so let's see it in action. We have already shown all this to you in the previous video as well, but we have made a few modifications, which are obviously introducing the translation bit in there and then later on the download as well. So let's just see it in works again. Okay, so now let's just go with some other language. Let's choose Hindi. Also, I would like you to let you know that we are going with 3 different types of question formats: multiple choice questions, fill in the blanks questions, and true and false questions. And for each of these 3 types of question formats, we are generating 2 sets of question and answers each. But obviously this can be modified as well. This is only for the purpose of demo. So we are just going with 2 sets of questions for each of the 3 kinds of question formats. So now let's just generate the questions. And we have it. We have a multiple choice questions. Okay, the correct answer is this. Fine. Obviously, I have not gone through the video, so I'm just randomly selecting options which are not coming out right. And then I'll just let go of the fill in the blanks in here. Let's go with this because it's easier to navigate. Okay, so seems like my luck wasn't on my side. Anyway, so let's just check out the download button as well. And here we have it. The questions, the choices, and then the correct answers are also printed in here when we download the content. So you see, it doesn't take long, like it's almost less than or within 10 seconds that we can generate these different kinds of formats from a 30-minute long video. So now we'll test it on the longer video, which is almost an hour long. And this is where the real power of the app would shine. Instead of spending an hour watching the whole thing, if we can generate it, let's say within a minute or within a few seconds, then it would be a game changer. So let's see, let's try out this with this video. So I'll just copy the link of the YouTube video and let's go to the first one. I'm gonna replace it and then I'm going to select a language, trying to find something that we have not used before. Let's go with Japanese. Okay, and it took almost 2 seconds to get the transcript. This is the transcript for the video, which is an hour long. Okay, and we got it within 2 seconds. And obviously we can download it as well. So let's just check it out, which is the transcript, and it's now in Japanese. Okay, so I guess we are done with the download ones. So now we'll just check out the timings for generating the content for an hour long video. And obviously it could be a longer video as well, like there is no limit to the length of the video. Okay, so now we are going with the summary and highlights. I'll just replace the link and now I would just select the language. Let's go with Armenian. I'm gonna generate the highlights and a concise summary. We can make the summary more detailed as well. Okay, like these things in the app can be tweaked. So here we have a content in Armenian. And again, it took less than 10 seconds. Let's go and try to create a blog out of it. I'll go with Estonian this time around. It's gonna take approximately 14.5 seconds. I mean around 14 seconds, 14 to 15 seconds, or it could be 20 as well. Yeah, looks like it. But almost 22 seconds, let's say. Okay, and here we have our blog in Estonian. And let's check out the social media post generator as well. I'm gonna just randomly select one, Macedonian. Fine. Now let's just generate the post for Instagram this time. So it took almost 10 seconds and we have 3 posts with us from this particular content. And then let's check out this as well. Lithuanian this time. So 10 to 15 seconds, that's the max time it takes to generate the Q&A. I would say that the block generator sometimes goes up to 20 seconds or 30 seconds, but not more than that. And the rest is almost within 10 to 15 seconds. So we could see that from an hour-long video, we are able to generate content within a matter of seconds. I would not even say a minute. So that's totally a game changer. And then again, obviously the number of questions can be modified in here. The number of social media prompts or posts that we are generating, that can also be modified. And in the block generator also we can set a word limit as well. Currently we are not going with any word limit. We have just let the AI know that okay, whatever seems relevant out of the videos, just create an article around that. So avoiding repetitiveness and all those. And then we have the summary and highlights, which can again be tweaked to, like for example, we can make the summary more detailed. Currently it is very concise, just so that you want to understand, you know, what is the content of this particular YouTube video, which is an hour long or which is more than an hour long. So that comes in handy there. And then the transcript is just a new addition that we thought that should be there. So gives you more flexibility around how you want to use the content. So that's it for the demo. We can see that the app is fast, easy and powerful. With just a YouTube video link, you can extract key insights, generate content in various languages and download it as well, without watching the whole video at that. But there is a slight catch. There is this one important thing to note, that this app works only for YouTube videos that have transcripts. Okay, so whether they are auto-generated or manually added, if a video doesn't have a transcript, the app would fail for it. But most of the videos on YouTube are having either automatically generated transcripts or manually created ones. So that's not going to be a major issue. So unlike anything else out there, this app saves your time like never before. So want to build an AI-powered tool like this for your business or project? At Codersarts, we specialize in developing smart, efficient, and fully customized AI applications just like this one. Whether you need content extraction, translation, automation, or any AI-driven solution, we've got you covered. So if you're looking for something similar or have a unique idea in mind, our expert developers are ready to bring your vision to life. So reach out to Codersarts today. You can connect with us via our email ID, which is contact@codersarts.com, or you can visit us on our website, which is www.codersarts.com. You can also find our LinkedIn, Instagram, and Facebook handles in the description box down below. So till then, please like, share, and subscribe, and drop a comment to let us know what you think or if you have any suggestions. Thank you.